Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Life with Dylan. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, check out my other videos, and if you like them, feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about my struggles with the GTO. Mainly, I'm just fixing one thing, which all it is a little idler, tensioner, pulley for my AC. Because I have not had AC in the car in a couple months now, and it's been rather horrible. Basically, all you're gonna need is, boom, I got a big old ratchet and a 15mm socket. I'm gonna get this serpentine belt out of my way real quick because it's kind of right in the way. Okay, here's the old pulley, your little spacers and bolt that you're obviously going to have to keep. So, what you're going to do is you're going to dig out your new pulley, just like that. Take your pieces, you're going to go just like that. Put it back just how you got it off. Then I will grab my AC belt, throw that on. Hopefully it goes easy. Then get the serpentine back on, and voila, just like that. Start it up, see what she does. Spill it. I'm gonna start it up and we'll see what she does. If she's still squealing, I think at this point I'll need a belt, but I know those pulleys have been on there since I've had the car and it's been a while, so moment of truth. I didn't hear you squealing, did you? I hope not. Good to have AC back in this girl now. Definitely excited about that. And I'm excited to be able to keep my AC belt on and not sound like an idiot driving through town. Anyways, this is just a quick little video, you know, something that's been going on for a while now that I needed to take care of. But I'm definitely planning on making at least 10 things I love about my GTO video. I know this at least used to be popular. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment on what you thought or what you'd like to see. And as always, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you next time.